What if I twist the L, write the song, scribble on a page to give praise up to the Most High and secure iniquity, finding my substance in a symphony, while the road I was meant to walk on floats by, coast by, mind on cloud nine, speaking to these demons that have haunted me, past mistakes that taunt me, mud covered my face hardened, it was a part of me. As I bleed, let us read the pages to my odyssey. My artistry is stained by the blood of a king who reigns. Yet all I smell is rain, yet all I see is half steps, never to fill a full measure. And my commitment is submitted to the fool's pleasure. Book of life secured in the truth's ledger. The hand of the author remains steady. I've seen him name many, never to erase, only replace the pain in me. Grace washes over the strained envy. Untouched is where I place the ones I've idolized, yet I'm unimpressed. Pride keeps me speaking white lies. My brother, I'm stressed with a desire to become a king among the tongues of man. My weakness gets the upper hand, still the burden is great to serve my God. Blessed are those who see him when he arrives. Absolute. The seed water takes root.